still sleeping.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna go to Target. Uh-oh, the baby's
It's a
crying.
commercial interruption by Babies Want to Be Fed. Feed me now, commercial.
Feed me now, commercial. Okay, so guys, it's already 3 o'clock here in
3:30, babe.
3:30.
Time
okay.
warp. You lost 30 minutes.
So it's 3:30 now, and let's look the camera here.
I can't look at the camera. I have to look at the road.
I know. Just me, baby, not you.
Yeah, I gotta pay attention to the road.
Hey guys, good afternoon, and then welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to Target because we're gonna get some formula because my husband, he is gone for 10 days.
Yes.
Yay!
Formula for the business trip. Suck my nipple on the plane.
That's crazy. So he needs some formula in Target because he needs to bring that in Canada. No guys, I'm just kidding. So we're gonna get some formula and then some baby food for Nathan because sometimes, you know, if he's teething, he don't like to eat, you know, the real food that I made because it's kind of, you know, it bothers him a lot because it's not really soft. It's nice to have an on-the-go baby food so that, you know, if ever that he needs something, you know,
I can just whip it out and eat it.
yeah, there you go. And so guys, we're gonna go to Target and we will show you what Target looks like and what they have over there. And mostly, you know, we buy formula for Nathan over there because he is a soy baby and he can drink, you know, milk base. And after that, baby, what's our next, you know, store that we're going?
Go to bed. A nice massage would be nice. Yeah.
So we're
I don't think it's gonna happen.
We're planning to go to
That's what I would like.
You gotta keep looking. He's driving, guys. So we're planning to go to Best Buy, I think.
Yeah, we gotta stop by Best Buy.
And yeah.
I can see if I can get a handle for that GoPro 7.
Yeah, so that he can vlog in Canada.
I didn't get a chance to order one on YouTube, so.
Okay. YouTube? Amazon.
Oh.
Oh my god, he said YouTube, guys.
Ah, my
So
head is
bad.
everywhere but here.
Yeah, he is so busy. Pay attention.
Holy habanero. Alright.
So, we're heading over there, guys, and we will show you what Target looks like. Okay, bye.
We'll see you over there. Aloha and mahalo.
Aloha, mahalo. Hey guys, so we're here in Best Buy. Supposed to be we're going to Target, but it's not gonna make it because my camera, I forgot my battery. And what an idiot, Crystal. This is not good, guys.
Idiot.
So now we're gonna get a charger or a battery.
Really?
My plan
I
is,
hope they have a battery in here. If they don't,
if they don't, then we're gonna be in trouble.
You're gonna have to use your cell phone.
We might use my phone if I lose my, you know, my battery here. If
hey, what kind of a vlogger are you? You forget the battery. You bring a camera with a dead.
Well, sometimes it happens, guys, right? If you are, you know, if you are in hurry, and especially if you have little one, it happens, guys. So, okay, see you in Best Buy. So Andrew's over there. We're here in Best Buy, guys, and we're looking for a battery. And oh, what is that, baby? Look at this. That's not Apple Watch, right? I think it's not. Uh-oh, my phone. Uh-oh, I'm almost dead, guys. I hope I can find something battery here. If I lose, guys, you know what happened, and then I'm gonna use my phone because right now I'm in crisis. Hi. Here, guys, we're looking at drone, and we're here in Best Buy, and look at this drone over there, guys. That's the Mavic Pro, and then what's the other one over there?
Yeah, that's the Mavic Pro. It's the Mavic Spark.
Yeah, so
DJI Phantom 4.
we're planning to get
Air down there. So, yeah. Those are the different ones. And there's other drones too. This is a Phantom.
That's
here.
a big drone.
Yeah, these aren't collapsible.
Yeah.
So the Mavic Air, the Mavic Spark is tiny.
Yeah.
The Mavic Pro.
This
Mavic,
one, it's a good
those
looking.
are all portable. They fold
yeah,
up.
you can
It's
fold
a-
up. Yeah.
Something
It's,
that's you can put in your backpack or something.
yeah, when you travel.
That's the nice thing about
Spark
the
and
DJI.
Mavic. I like this one.
Yeah, the Mavic 4 is not as portable.
Yeah. So which one is a better, you know,
Just in
quality?
terms of folding up, you can't fold it up like you do the Mavic Spark or the Mavic Air.
Which
This
one is better?
This is what Kuyas uses, right? Becoming Filipino, he uses a Spark.
Spark.
Oh.
But
Spark.
which one is that, you know, a video that they watch with, they use the Mavic Pro? The guy?
Yeah, the Mavic Pro is a classic one. That's a great one. And
It's
then
a good
the
one.
Mavic 2 Pro is the new one.
Where's the Mavic 2 Pro?
I don't see any in here. They had one the
I
other
like
day.
to say that. That's a good looking drone. Hey guys, so we're here in Target and that's the main entrance and Angie's over there. Here's the Target, guys. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone right now because my camera's battery is dead, and yeah, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna get some formula and baby food. So this is the Target looks like, guys. And Nathan's going to the stroller. So this is Target looks like, guys. And then we're gonna go to the formula section. Come on, Nathan. I'm just gonna go on the side here. So Nathan, he is here. Hi, buddy. Oh, look at this beautiful, beautiful tractor. That's a cute one. Right there. Hold on, Nathan. Let me back up. I'm just gonna get this one. This is nice. This is extra small. I'm gonna try the extra small. That's cute. Let's go, buddy. Oh, for those people who are pregnant, you can have that. This is the pregnancy section. Let's go get some formula, Nathan. Oh my god, it's a cute pajama, guys. Look at that. Pretty. We're gonna get some formula. It's Target right there. When I was pregnant, I love, you know, the Target, you know, clothing here. And so let's go get some formula, Nathan. You wanna get some toy? Oh, Nathan, they have another toy. You wanna get some toy? Look. Yeah, you want a chair? Oh, okay. It's a good one. Got the toys over here, guys. There's a lot of books here. This is the book section, guys. And this is another baby section here. And then a lot of, you know, car seat. If you want some car seat. And then this one is pack and play. And then swing for the baby, and then we need to go to the formula first. Probably here. Okay, Nathan. Let's go find your formula. Probably here, Nathan. Okay, right there. Okay, we're gonna look you something like it's really. Oh, this one he really likes this. No, I don't want to get pops. Just want to get this. He likes this one. Just in case if he is not feeling well with this too. And then the banana. What's the other one? First granola for that one. I don't want that. Probably this one. Banana, papaya. That's a good one. He likes that one. And what else, guys? Mango carrot yogurt. We should try this one, baby, the mango carrot yogurt. Oh, there is coconut. I'm not sure about that. apple oatmeal. No, I don't want that. Nathan don't like that. What else do they have here? So you have some fruits. I'm looking for a certain apple flavor. Harvest vegetable. What's in here? No, I'm not sure about that. Sweet potato, mangoes, and carrots. That's one good one. Should try this. Bananas, apple, avocado, granola. Did Nathan try this? Can we try this? Maybe just one of this. So that's all the food that we have here, guys. So those are the batch. I just use this one if Nathan is, you know, teething crazy, and that's what I use, guys. Okay, so these are all the baby food here. But this is good for travel, guys. But I use the baby. I always use, you know, baby food all the time, like homemade baby food. Because, you know, I don't usually use this one. I just use this one in case, like, you know, if you lose some appetite. And this one is really easy, you know, to eat because it's very liquidy. And then you can use, you know. Oh, what's that? Free 5 Target gift card when you spend 20 or more. Oh my god. I know. But look at that, guys. If you have a baby girl, look at this clothes.
No comments from the subscribers about having another baby.
Oh my god, yes. No more. One is good, guys. And they have, you know, what's this? Swimwear for kids.
Ah, that's something you can wear, baby.
It fits for me. Hey guys, so we're here in a car and we're gonna go to the car wash because my husband, you know, he needs to clean the car. And then after that, we're going to the Mexican. And this camera, guys, I'm using my phone because I lose my battery dead. No, I'm just kidding.
Lose my battery dead. What English is that?
No, it's not, that's not right, darling. You know, I'm kidding. My battery is dead, and then, you know, I can't able, you know, to do anything, and then my camera is not functioning because my battery is dead. So I'm using my phone this time. And so right now, guys, we're here in, what street is this one, baby? This one is in Briar Creek. We're somewhere in Briar Creek, guys, but I'm not really familiar about the street. And we're going to this very cool car wash place, and they have this lava, what's it, did you call it, baby? Lava special
lava
car wash.
Lava soap or something. Lava wash.
Yeah, so they have different color, and the color is amazing, guys. And I will show you guys, you know, this car wash, and it's really cool.
It's so amazing. I want to go through and get a shower.
You want something, you know, to wax your car, so you should go this car wash. Let me show you. So this is the car wash, guys. It's American Pride. Express car wash right here, guys. So here's what you're gonna do. And those red parking area there, you can clean your car and you can do vacuuming. It's free vacuum.
I'm just gonna vacuum real quick.
So my husband is gonna go outside. I'm just gonna stay in the car. And then look what he's doing. He's getting the thing and he's gonna clean the car. Look what Daddy's doing. Okay, guys, so there you go. You can put your card there. So we have the membership. Join our unlimited membership.
We have the membership in the Men's Hair Club of the Month Club.
What does that mean?
The Men's Hair Club of the Month. So.
That's really cool.
No brush. No brush. Thank you. Yeah, just spray it.
This is the car wash, guys.
Yeah, just spray it. Okay, babe.
We're gonna go to the tunnel. Tunnel.
Okay.
So it says here too. See that, guys? So they have on here special. They have different types of special. There you go, guys. You can see. Whoa! Look at that. This is the car wash here in United States.
Done. But no time to towel would drown, so we're just gonna go to get some food.
Okay, so we're not gonna walk.
I gotta get home and pack for the trip.
Here guys, they're going inside the Mexican. So this is Mexican restaurant. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna eat here. Hi. So this is Mexican restaurant. We're gonna go eat here. And that's Daddy and Nathan. Let's eat Mexican. Hi Nathan.
Nice.
And we need a high chair.
Thank you very much.
And what can I get you all started with?
Just water with extra lemons for me, please.
Same, please. Or lime. Lime is good too. Thank you.
Like a kids water or?
Yeah, that'd be fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So this is Mexican, guys, right here. See, look at their chair. It's really colorful. If you eat here in a Mexican, you have free salsa and chips. It's a corn chips and then salsa.
Corn chips and salsa.
What is that?
Hey, what are we doing? Are we cracking that? Yeah, killing ants over there.
This is the food that we're eating, guys. There, that's the food. Nathan is so cranky.